Now, with this course, what we're going to do, it's all about repetition. Now, if you watch the Bruce Lee in the movies, and you've watched martial arts and different programs on television, telling you how to do all this training, it's about the numbers, the repetitions. One of my old favorites, Superfoot Bill Wallace, right? Maybe you older guys, I'm 50 years old, right? So maybe you older generation, you've heard of him. He retired undefeated middleweight, and he even took on the heavyweight champion. And he beat everybody. And his golden rule was repetitions. Now, if you knew about Superfoot Bill Wallace, he could only use one leg. That's why they called him Superfoot. He broke his meniscus in the other leg. So he said at their club, we used to do 15,000 kicks. One leg, 15,000 kicks the other leg every day. So obviously one of his legs wasn't working. So he would do 30,000 kicks on one leg. So this is why it became Superfoot. And he'd throw that leg at your head at 77 miles an hour, right? Take your head clean off. Blink, it's there. So in this course, we're going to teach you how to stand correctly, how to fight. From this position, you can execute any move. From this position, standing like you're waiting for a bus, you're going to get run over and smashed, okay? Maimed, killed. You have to be in a position, and you have to look like you can give out professional violence. Now, we're going to be doing straight punching. We're going to be doing blocks. We're going to be doing a low kick. We'll do dynamic stretching. We'll do technical moves. So we're going to show you technical sparring. We're going to show you pad work. We're going to show you shield practice. We'll show you light technical sparring, and we'll show you it at full speed, devastating power on the shield. And we're going to do some real life situation scenes. And you've probably been in these positions so many times before, and you're thinking, if only I knew this, if only I knew that. Listen, I always say it's better to have it, not need it, than need it and not have it. We're going to move on to the first tutorial. You need patience, you need to be relaxed. It's no good being all tense when you're going to try and punch someone. It doesn't work. Look, if you tense your arm, there's no speed in it. You can't. You have to be so relaxed. So it's important. You have to breathe. The respiratory system is so important when you exhale and execute a move. I'll give you an example. So when you throw a punch, some people hold their breath when they throw a punch. It's not good. I'll give you another example before we go into that. You're in the gym, right? Doing your bench press. Your breathing is completely different from gym bench press to throwing a punch. So I'm on the bench press. Breathe out, breathe in on the way down. All right. If you do that with a few punches, you're going to be on the floor unconscious because you're going to go all dizzy. You have to breathe fast. So, like this. You can do it like this, or you can do it like this. You see, this is very important. On impact, not oh. It has to be on. This is very, very important. So repetitions is very, very important when you're doing all this kind of training. So if you say, right, I've done the course, I did like 10 kicks and 5 punches, and no. We're talking like hundreds, then thousands. When you've done this kick 5,000 times, then I'm going to have a little bit of respect for you guys. Okay, the punches, when you've done them 10,000 times, 20,000 times, then you're going to start and understand how to throw a punch. Okay, now I'm not saying do this in one day. This takes time. You do a little bit every day and you build yourself up. And yes, you're going to get muscle ache. So we'll do all the different development stretches as well for you to progress from low kick to medium kick to high kick. So let's get cracking on the first tutorial and turn you into a finely tuned instrument of war.